In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your Shopify store off live. Maybe you're still building your site, making big changes behind the scenes, or just taking a break from selling. Whatever the reason, you have two main options inside Shopify to hide your store from customers while still keeping control in the admin. First, let's look at the most common option, which is password protecting your store. This is perfect if you're still working on your website or you only want select people to see it. When this is turned on, anyone who visits your store will see a password page instead of your usual storefront. To do this, start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the menu on the left and click on Online Store, then choose Preferences. On the Preferences page, scroll down until you find the section called Password Protection. Here, you'll see a toggle that lets you enable or disable the password page. Turn this toggle on to activate password protection. Next, you'll be able to set a password that your visitors will need in order to access the store. Choose something easy for you to share with collaborators or test customers, but not something too obvious. You'll also see a field where you can customize the message that appears on the password page. This is optional, but it's a good idea to explain briefly that your store is under construction or temporarily unavailable. Once you're happy with your settings, scroll down if needed and click Save. At this point, your store is hidden from the public. Regular visitors will only see the password page, but you can still access the admin area as usual. Anyone you share the password with can still get in and browse, but everyone else will be blocked. Now, let's move on to the second option, which is pausing your store. This is best if you're not planning to sell at all for a while and want to reduce activity. With this option, customers won't be able to complete purchases and access is limited. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then click on Plan. On the Plan page, look for the option to cancel plan. Don't worry, you're not deleting your store. This is just where Shopify puts the pause option. When you click Cancel Plan, you'll see different choices. Select Pause and Build. Shopify may show a summary of what will change when you pause, so read through that and then confirm your choice. Once the pause is confirmed, your store will no longer be active for customers. They won't be able to place orders, but you'll still retain access to your admin so you can work on your store, update products, or prepare for reopening later on. So, to recap, if you want to keep working on your store and optionally allow select people in, use password protection. If you're stepping away from selling entirely for a while, use the pause option under your plan settings. Both methods let you turn your Shopify store off live without losing your work.